What's up, family? Welcome to my channel. My name is MichelleAna. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back, family. Today is another episode in the Vlogmas series, and I'm going to be showing you some of my skincare routine. I say some because I feel like when the seasons change, like, so do the products kind of change. They're either swapped out or I introduce something new, and because I get so many new products, I do like to try new things. But today, if you're interested in knowing what I actually use currently right now, just keep on watching. My skin is pretty normal. It's like I've had little dry spots here and there. I've had oily areas like in my T-zone area, but for the most part, I never really had like acne prone skin. Obviously around that time of month I get some things kind of going on. I also have like little what is it called, like little whiteheads kind of like sometimes building up because of either makeup or lack of exfoliating, which I have to get better at. But for the most part, it's pretty normal. Whatever normal is, it's pretty much not, it doesn't do the most. She doesn't do the most, but sometimes she don't be acting right. So it's kind of like in that like average kind of category. But the problem area that I do have, which I don't even want to call it problem area because it's pretty much genetic. I've always shared that on my channel. It's pretty much like my dark circle area. So obviously that has to do with genes, like it literally runs in my family, but also making sure that I get enough rest, right? Like you guys don't understand how much water and rest will actually rejuvenate you from the inside. Like, I'm so serious. Like, one of my secret weapons is like water. I drink water all day and night. I'm talking about like I wake up drinking water. Matter of fact, hold on, I'm gonna give me some water right now. I love water so much. My preference for water is alkaline water. I don't know why, it just sits right with me. And I'm telling you, that is literally one of the main reasons why I feel like my skin does not do the most. And obviously rest, making sure I get a lot of it. And then of course you have the fact that I actually am very proactive as it relates to taking care of my skin and making sure that it's getting all of the goods that it needs at this point in my life. So let's get right into it. Okay, so throughout this video, I'm definitely gonna be more so sharing things that I do during the day. But if you guys want me to do like a specific like nighttime skincare routine, please feel free to like this video or even drop a comment in the comment section below. As always, there are links to everything that I'm going to talk about in the description box below if you guys want to check these products out for yourself. Okay, so as far as the very first step in a new fresh day, I am obviously using a cleanser, right? And I have been loving the Pharmacy Whipped Greens oil-free foaming cleanser. Obviously, like, y'all, it's donezo. Like, it's empty. I have to buy another one. But in the meantime, I've also been using the folic acid brightening cleanser by the Inky List. I think that's how you say it, the Inky List. And it does exactly what it says it's going to do. Like, you see your skin brighter, cleaner, and it feels very like refreshing. And the way that actual consistency of the product is, it's very smooth, but like to see those little things like in it, it's kind of interesting. Now, I know some people don't really cleanse in the morning or really cleanse in the shower or things of that nature, and that's okay. Like, I feel like whatever it is that you feel like you need for your skin, sis, go ahead and do that. The next thing that I use is also by the Inky List, and it is the hyaluronic acid. It helps to hydrate skin. This little bad boy is intense, okay? It is a great step right in between the cleanser and if you tone on a daily or whatever, and moisturizer. So it's just a great barrier to add a little bit more, another layer of hydration, especially during the winter time. I live in the New Jersey, New York area, and it is brutal. It is brick up here, okay? So I want to make sure that I am kind of getting ahead of myself so that I am like literally giving my skin everything that it needs. P.S. I forgot to say this in the beginning. I am not a professional esthetician. I am not like, I'm just kind of sharing the things that have worked for me so far. So I don't want nobody coming for me in the comments talking about some sis. That's not the right way. Sis, this is what works for me. Okay, so the next thing that I do is treat my under eyes, right? So the product that I've been loving for the daytime specifically is the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. It is amazing, and I don't know why or when or who invented this, but the color of this product, of this cream or eye serum, is incredible because it kind of plays off of color correcting the under eyes for me, and it's amazing. You do not, like, literally your concealer and everything goes on so smoothly, and I literally have to get another one. I think I mentioned that in my other video. You also want to be very gentle with this area of your skin, of your face, because as much as we are like somewhat rough and not as gentle with the other parts of our skin, this layer is very, very thin. All right, like this layer is very, very thin. Then I go into the moisturizer and of course SPF. And so the moisturizer that I'm currently using is by Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Oh gosh, I'm probably saying that wrong, but it adds a glow and it brightens, and I love it so much because it kind of leaves this it leaves my skin actually feeling very smooth and ready for SPF and primer and all that good stuff that comes with the makeup steps and all of the above. After I moisturize, I then go in with the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. I also love the consistency of this product because it kind of leaves the canvas of your skin very much so prepared for makeup. And obviously SPF you want to wear during the day, or at least I heard that's the best time. Unless you sleep where the sun is out all through the night. That's a different story for another day, but this is pretty much perfect for the daytime. One of the last things that I do for the just general day-to-day is throw on a lip balm or a lip mask. I know that the Laneige sleeping mask obviously is reserved for the nighttime, but I mean, hey, you know, sometimes you just throw the rules out the window. But the lip mask or lip balm that I like to use as my next step is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Ginger Snap. This one it smells so good actually. Like when you first put it on, afterwards you don't really smell it much. It gives, okay? Like we want our lips to be nice and smooth, soft, and all of the above, not chapped. Sis, we don't do that over here. That is not our ministry. We want to make sure that they're beautiful, you know, that they're moisturized, that they're beautiful, and that they give life, okay? And so we want to make sure that we are taking care of our lips as well. Also in the winter time, I have not found like my favorite scrub for my lips. So if you guys have one, I know that Fresh Beauty does have one. I haven't used it in a while, but if you guys have a recommendation for a lip scrub or maybe an at-home kind of recipe, please drop that in the comment section, because I think that now more than ever in this season of the year, that would be perfect to use and incorporate into my winter skincare routine. So that pretty much concludes the makeup, skincare, day-to-day winter routine. If you guys want me to go in very specific to like my nighttime routine, like I said in the beginning, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment in the comment section below. Y'all, do not forget the value of water, okay? I know we say this all the time, but Water really is clutch, y'all. Water is, and I'm not talking about just, you know, 1 bottle, 2 bottle of water. Like, I literally will drink about, this is a 34 ounce, if you will. I'm rounding up, 34 ounces of alkaline water these are from Costco, I believe. I will drink, no lie, maybe like 3 or 4 of these. Like, when I order these, I order them by the pack of 2s, probably every other week or so, depending on my water intake, obviously. But I am a huge advocate on water and how it has really helped me in cleansing just my body. Get that water in, sis. Get that water in. Trust me and believe me, it is one of the major things that we hear a lot, and you may not believe it, and you may not even like water. I have a sister that does not like water. She literally needs reminders to drink her water, okay? It's a real thing. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content today, make sure that you subscribe, make sure you turn on that bell notification, and also leave a comment in the comment section to let me know that you enjoyed it today. So I will see you guys in the next episode of Vlogmas.